So this is our home in Washago on the Green River here. We're doing a 1,500 square foot addition on the main floor, plus a garage and bonus room above the garage. We've chosen Kablan tile as our flooring supplier, which we're very excited about. We love the tile, the design and texture. And so today we're getting ready to pour the leveler on the floor to accept the tile. Not bad. Honestly, it didn't feel, I was a little more concerned about it than what I maybe should have been, but it's always that way when you're first time doing something, right? So, no, I think it went well, yeah. The install went really well. Really happy with the look, the texture, the way the tile performs, the magnetic backer. I love it. I love the idea that, to be able to swap out a tile or pull a tile up. If it, honestly, when you're installing, when you go through a doorway and you've got a tile and you're trying to tuck the other side of the doorway in the tile under the door frame, to be able to remove the tile next to it, slide it under and then replace the tile beside it is amazing. Otherwise, with normal tile, you can't do that. It's impossible. So, yeah, no, it's, I feel quite user-friendly, for sure. I would say that I love the product. I think it's an amazing product for any homeowner or installer, and I would definitely recommend the product and use it again myself.